Hello, welcome back. Here is problem number 7. So let's go ahead and get started. So here you can see that we have two phone plans. Plan A charges a base of $20 plus 15 cents per unit of usage. Plan B charges a base fee of $25 plus 10 cents per unit of usage. We want to know at what usage do these two plans cost the same, and what is that cost? We'll go ahead and get started by rewriting the equations. I'll start with plan A. So I'll write that here. We have plan A, and plan A is 20 plus 0.15 m. And then we have plan B, and that is 25 plus 0.10 m. Okay, so to find where they're the same, we set them equal to each other. Okay, so since we've done that, we need to solve for m. And we can do that by subtracting 0.10 m from both sides. 0.10 m. As you can see here, they cancel out on the right hand side, right? Because we have 0.10 m minus 0.10 m. And then going back to the left side, we have 20, and then we have 0.15 m minus 0.10 m, which is equal to positive 0.05 m. We set that equal to 25. And of course, we're trying to solve for m. We can go ahead and subtract 20 from both sides. So subtract 20 from the left and from the right. Okay, so we know that the 20s cancel out on the left side, and we're left with 0.05 m equals 5. All right, so now the next step is to divide. We need to divide by 0.05. So we'll do that here. On both sides, 0.05, 0.05. And of course we have m, and m equals 100. Now at 100 at 100 units of usage, both plans cost the same. So you can see that, right? But what is the cost? Let's go ahead and check that. So let's find the common cost. And I'm just going to rewrite the plans over here, and I will be replacing them with m at 100. So starting with plan A, the original, plan A is right here. So that is 20 plus 0.15, and m is 100. And that is equal to $35. Okay, so let's see for plan B. We have 25 plus 0.10 times 100. That's equal to $35 as well. Okay, so we can see that they both give us $35. And so that means the final answer here is the two plans cost the same at 100 units of usage, and the cost is $35. So final answer, $35, and m equals 100. So great work. This is a real world system of equations problem, Now, in problem 8, we'll move into a mixture problem with percentages.